talk about clothing business of kids collections, huge demand and profitable business. Either you keep shop, either you keep showroom, either you do online business or any, the investment depend on you and how you are doing your clothing business. I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Once again, I welcome you all to Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. So today also I brought for you the exclusive collections, but these collections are not from women segments. If I talk about these collections and segments, huge demand at the market and high profitable business at clothing business. These collections are kids collections I am talking about. So friends, I can only say Kesaria Manufacturers has brought for you exclusive varieties in kids segment also where you can purchase from 100 rupees. So if I talk about kids collections, so Kesaria Textile is giving you from 100 rupees of multiple varieties of born babies to till 15 to 16 years boy babies and girl babies. From regular wear to stylish and party wear, fancy, casual, night wears, all varieties you can purchase from Kesaria Manufacturers. So I request everyone subscribe the channel, and for the regular updates, you can have the COD options by through online shopping. You can do from payments, and sitting worldwide, you can easily place an order and you can purchase the kids collections also from Kesaria. So let's see the samples. If I talk about these samples for girl babies to boy babies, new unique trending varieties, the collections you can buy from manufacturers. And if I talk about clothing business of kids collections, huge demand and profitable business. Either you keep shop, either you keep showroom, either you do online business or any, the investment depend on you and how you are doing your clothing business of kids collections, huge demand. The first pattern I start with girl babies, such a beautiful printed of the cotton fabric, and in this also you have a beautiful color charts if I talk about. So sizes from small to free sizes you can purchase, and sizes, every size you will find out with different colors and different designs of printed. And if I talk about the kids collections varieties, imported and cotton is very demand. Why? Because kids will not get rashes or allergy, and when you purchase kids collections and doing a business, you have to see the quality is most important, quality and fabric, to avoid rashes and itching part, allergies to kids, especially born babies. So when you're purchasing from a manufacturer, these are all things you have to see and purchase. And if I talk about boy babies, here is a beautiful light pista color shade of the printed and simple and sober of 3/4 set for the regular wear where boy babies can purchase this variety. And we do have a color chart also. You will get all settle colors of baby pink and sky blue color. And if we talk about the box packing also, you're getting like tiny boys collections of set. So such unique varieties you can purchase from manufacturers. And if you have a shop, you can daily keep different colors at a display. And if I talk about trending and stylish casual wear, the dungaree pattern of navy blue with red color pattern, which is a cartoon designer pattern of this casual. So this trending dungaree pattern is demand at the market and huge demand, and this is a fast moving product where you can purchase minimum quantity of 300 pieces also, and you can add into your business. Such unique varieties Kesaria is giving you for kids collections. If I talk about next pattern, is a 2-set combination. One is sleeves and with sleeves. So this is a beautiful stylish multicolor printed for the boy babies. This is a sleeves. So as a sportswear I can say. So this is a color where you will find out the sandal color. This is a bottom. So bottom, and in this one more pattern of sleeves pattern with full sleeves with the printed. Similar it is, but with sleeves and without sleeves. This is a set combo. So in this also you will find a color chart. And if I talk about the regular wears on the night wears or jerkins also, you will have this jeggings. Here is a jeggings where you will find out the beautiful stylish printed with the elastic base, and there is a knot also. For even boy babies and even girl babies, you will find out such night wears and such casual pants also. You will printed pants. In this way also you will find out such beautiful collections, and every pattern you will find out a color chart. So this is the pattern what I've showed you, 2-set combination. Everything you will buy at wholesale price. Anything you purchase, you have a color chart. And sizes also the same, the dotted one which I've showed you at the sky blue color, you have an onion pink color, and which is a mehndi color. So this is also a beautiful, and here is also beautiful box packing. You can see here, any pattern you find out, you have a beautiful different boxes. So you have every color chart you will find out in all sizes. And here is a one more big box. This is a born baby gift set box, and everyone looking for a born baby gift set, what have to give retail, especially you can give a minimum bulk quantity of 300 pieces also, which is a fast moving product at the market. In this you have a color chart of the clothing set where born baby set printed. You have a casual, there is a socks, there is a napkin, there is a printed come with sleeves, half sleeves, you have a set of shirt pattern, t-shirt pattern, and the packing also you can see such a beautiful kids collections of born baby set. In this you have a lemon yellow color, you have a sandal color, you have a dark peach color, you have a sky blue color, you have a light pista color, you have a light ocean blue color. Such exclusive varieties with different printed varieties of elegant, rich look of born varieties of born babies gift sets. You have these collections at manufacturing cost, which starts from at Kesaria manufactures only from 100 rupees. If I talk about high value, it's only 1500 to 2000. You will buy a number of multiple varieties in different collections of segments of kids collections. And if you're really interested to invest on kids collections, market is very demand to run a kids collection, and there's a huge profitable business you can see here. So I can only say for this collections, you can hurry up to contact and place an order by COD, online payments, pan India plus worldwide. We are giving you transport shipping safe and securely. The numbers are on the screen. We do have online team, we do have offline team. You can visit Kesaria Manufactures, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, first floor. Morning 9:30 to 8:30 the shop will be open. You have no language barrier here. N number of sales executives you can see here. There's a smooth language communication of different languages where English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, even in offline and even in visit purchase you can do it. In online also you can contact 24/7. You can place an order. So this collections of kids collections to enjoy and see a huge profitable business, and to start kids collections, please contact, numbers are on the screen. And I request everyone subscribe the channel for the regular updates and keep supporting. Next video I'll come up with new more collections. So till then, take care. Bye bye.